1,000 for the cheapest ring on the neck finger, little bitch. I done flew out to Spain to be in my domain, all my bitch. Dropped $3 on the rain, cause it in the truck, little bitch. I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Granny, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to go into my favorite restaurant, Planta. I'm literally sitting on my legs right now because I'm so short, like I'll be so low. But I'm about to go into my favorite restaurant. Basically, the intentions for this solo date is because I've been working non-stop. Basically, I've been working every single day. This is going on my second week of doing that. Like completing my second week. So 14 days. Next weekend, I'm also working. So that will be another full week. Except we have Thanksgiving. And then the day after Thanksgiving, I don't have to work either. So technically Thursday and Friday will be my weekend. And if you know, like, working has never even been, like, something that's top priority for me. If anything, it's literally on the bottom of my list. Like, I'm not a worker. But as we can see, we've been working. And it hasn't been taking that much of a toll on me because I'm big on mental health. So I would have definitely took days off if it really was that, or not be working at all. Planta is a fully vegan restaurant, by the way. Too good. Like, even people who are not vegan love this place. And it's like a bougie little vegan spot. So I also want y'all to see that vegan food can not only look good, it can taste good, and like the ambiance can be beautiful too, because I feel like vegan food usually is like hole in the walls and shit like that. So yeah, come with me to Planta on a solo date.
Five in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time. I need a free mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I really need to free mind now. I really need mine now. Yeah. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Send me a love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix.
It's actually freezing out here.
Happy Friday, honey. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Have a good Thanksgiving. Yeah?
You too, thank you. So happy Friday, it's Saturday. Okay, it's so pretty. Like, look at this. This is just what I wanted to walk and see. Like, I have nowhere to be. Like, it's really giving Christmas. I'm literally walking, about to go get dessert, like contemplating, and then I saw that, like, now I'm about to go to dessert. I don't care how cold it is. I don't care if I'm about to shit my pants right now because I need to poop. I'm getting dessert.
Yeah. Yeah, go like the star. Go to the top of the car. You don't know about the lot. You don't know what I done saw. Keep me without it. I keep the stick for the wall.
Y'all want to go first?
Chest I deposit.
Yeah.
Money just stick with the boy.
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I kept a stick like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when you had to spot it.
This is the second person reaction actually. But it's like a small little camera. It's called DJI Pocket 2. So this is like fun to record and most people don't know. Yes, yeah. Yeah.
I'ma keep my ass, bro. Break yourself. You can break on the dance floor. I'm with Sid and Lil Baby. Yeah. We got 4 choppers this full. Right before rapping, on God, I was trapping. Get my Glock and look cool. I got my cake from Osama bin Laden. Look, he signed this shit.
I had a great time. I was a little anxious about my camera because I just hate attracting any type of attention. I hope y'all enjoyed. Sorry, I had to change the angle because my camera kept falling. But food was so good, and they did try to charge me for that big jar of water that he offered and didn't even tell me that it was you had to pay for it. And I don't even drink water at restaurants, so I was just like, yeah, sure. I didn't even touch it at all. So he took that joint off the bill. Ice cream is so good. I had a great time. So I'm just gonna enjoy my ice cream in the warm car. Just relax. Take it all in because I couldn't really 100% be present because I was, again, worried about somebody seeing my camera. Oh, by the way, here y'all, because I feel like I didn't feed y'all at all. I just let y'all watch me eat. But yeah, so don't watch this video. It's kind of too late, but don't watch this video if you're hungry. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little vloggy vlog of me doing a solo date. If you don't spend time with yourself, this is your sign to go out, get out your comfort zone, and treat yourself. Get yourself a sweet treat, even if it's not dairy free. Hello?
Hello.
My message isn't sending because I'm in the garage, but I'm okay.
Okay, I'm glad to know. Why are you in the garage?
Because I'm about to leave.
Okay, where are you headed?
Home.
Okay, be careful.
Okay.
Door's locked, you're safe?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just got a text. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you for calling.
You're welcome. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm just going to enjoy the rest of my ice cream. Try to be present because that was the main intention. Aside from, just pouring into myself. But yes, I'm going to finish my ice cream, then drive home and get some sleep because I need it.